Hey, what's up, my friend? So, in today's episode, I want to share with you five trading tools that I'm using right now in 2020. A little bit of background first, right? Right now, my trading has evolved over the years. Right now, I'm both a systematic trader and a discretionary trader. So, for those of you watching these videos, I'm guessing most of you, or you are right now, you're a discretionary trader, since that is the topic that I talk about quite often. But there are from time to time, right? You also see me, talking about systematic stuff, right? Statistics and stuff like that. That belongs to the realm of systematic trader. So, for today's episode, I will share with you both sides of my trading, both discretionary and systematic trading, the tools that I'm using, right? So let's start with discretionary first. Number one, for discretionary trading, right, you see the charts that I use, right, that I share, it is from TradingView, right? They specialize in providing pretty clean charts, and I'm on the Pro plan, right? The Pro plan allows me to have zero advertisements, create multiple watch lists, right, for my own discretionary trading. So if you're wondering what are the charts I use, most likely it is from TradingView, right? Especially the videos that I've been posting on YouTube. Number two, right? On top of charts, right? For my discretionary trading, I also use a currency strength meter. This gives me an idea, right? Which currency pairs are strong, which are weak, right? Then I can find, right, the right combination of currency pairs to trade and to find higher probability trading setups. Generally, I like to use the currency strength meter to find the strongest pair and pair it against, one of the weaker ones. So that's how, I get to trade really nice strengths. Okay, so that's number two, a currency strength meter. And number three, right, I have Excel, right? The Excel is meant to journal down my trades, right, for my own, trading review. For example, I write down stuff like the markets I traded, the entry point, the stop loss, the R multiple gain or loss, the category of the trading setup that I took, right? All this goes down into my Excel spreadsheet and it's free. So if you don't Excel, there are other paid journals out there as well. You can look at it, right, if it suits you. So these are generally the three main things, right, that I use for my own discretionary trading. Now let's move on into systematic trading. So systematic trading it's quite straightforward actually, right? I only use two things. Number one, a backtesting platform, right, to test out the systematic trading strategy, right? The backtesting platform that I use is Army Broker. They are not a broker, it just happened the name is called Army Broker, right? So I can test out, different trading systems, right? Whether it's stocks, whether it's forex, futures, etc. And the thing about Army Broker is that it's only a backtesting platform, right? This is where the platform kind of, digest the rules or process the rules that you've given it and show you the results of the strategy or the system, right, over time. So what Army Broker it doesn't provide is data. It doesn't come with data, and I have to purchase the data on my own and to feed it into Army Broker. So for the second thing for systematic trading is that I purchase my own data is another tool that I need to use as a systematic trader, and the data I get it is from Norgate Data. They offer futures data, stock data like your US stocks, Australian stocks. They have forex data. So that is where I get my data from, right, to input into Army Broker. And that's pretty much it, right? Those are the five tools that I use right now in 2020. That's just me, right? There are more tools that I could talk about, like earnings calendar, right? News calendar and whatnot, right? But really, I don't really pay attention to such stuff, right? If you ask me if I were to break down my trading to the five essential tools, that would be it. Okay, so with that said, I hope that helps, right? Any feedback, questions, let me know, and I will talk to you soon.